Bismillah, welcome back to my channel. You see, I have henna tattoo on my hand, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get this beautiful henna design not only on your hand but also on your skirt or on your bag or pencil case. So if you are new, hit the subscribe button down here and let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how I painted on this skirt. You are going to need a plain skirt. With a white pencil, I sketched the design on my skirt. Once you've made your design with the white pencil, use permanent outliner for fabric and start outlining the design. You can find pictures online or you can just create your own design. Before you start drawing, you can practice on a paper first, because if you make a mistake, you can't fix it. This is the first time I'm painting henna patterns. It looks very detailed, but it was very easy to paint. Maybe it takes time to paint this, but the end result is gorgeous. If you are interested in painting on clothes, check my previous video. You'll find the link in the description bar below. Once you've completed your design, let it dry for 24 hours. And in order to make it permanent, iron it for about 5 minutes. I love how this skirt turned out, and it was a really fun project. It looks gorgeous, isn't it? So, next DIY is henna pattern pencil case. This time I'm using this black pencil case. I'm not going to show you the whole process. I'm just showing you the fast-forwarded clip of me painting on this pencil case. This took like 15 to 20 minutes. Traditional henna patterns are very busy. You can keep it simple if you want. And there you have it. It looks beautiful. I love it. And lastly, I'll show you this gorgeous henna look on my hand. You can use henna kit if you want, but I'm going to use Sharpie marker. You know, it's easier to control while drawing. Henna is used for traditional way in Indian culture, but it can be used by anyone. And this is the final result. And now it's time for you guys to DIY this henna tattoo on your hand. It looks stunning. I think I did a good job. And that's it for today. I hope this inspired you. Please give this video a big thumbs up and write in the comments below if you want to see more DIYs from me. And if you are new, subscribe to my channel by clicking the button down here. And don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. I love you and I'll see you soon. Bye!